Hello students, good morning to one and all. Welcome back to the English class. And today we are going to study English 2 chapter 2nd. English 2 chapter 2nd. And this is a poem, and the poem is written by A. Milne. The poet of this poem is A. Milne, and the poem name is Come Out With Me. Come Out With Me. Look at the first stanza. Students, those have book, you can open with me page number 12. Page number 12, Come Out With Me. Okay, I like to read for you first stanza. There's sun on the river and sun on the hill. You can hear the sea if you stand quite still. There's 8 new puppies at Roundabout Farm, and I saw an old sailor with only one arm. Dear children, here the poet speak about the scene. That means maybe this is the time of morning. This is the morning time. When the poet wake up, he could see the sun. Especially when you start the day, you like to see first the sun, the light of the sun, because the light of the sun, when it appear our house or enter to our room, so it brings a new day, a new fragrant. So here the poet speaking, the sun it is seen on the river, especially while you go to the natural place, you could be see pond, mountain, river or trees. Like that, the poet is in his farm. The poet is in his farm and he is enjoying the beauty. And when able to see the sun just appear on the river, but after that it appeared on the hill. It is the creation of God. When the sun appear on the river, another side it may be appear on the hill, and you could hear the sea, the sound of the sea. You could hear the sound of the sea. Okay, and he stand quietly. He is standing quiet and looking the scenery, how it appear in front of him. And there's the 8 new puppies. That means the children of dog. There is new puppies which round about farm. That means which it around in his farm. That means he could able to keep the dog, the puppies, and most of the things it is given that he is a person of loving nature. Okay, understand? Then goes to second stanza. In the second stanza we can see, but everyone says run along, run along, run along. All of them say run along, I am busy as can be. Everyone says run along. There's a little darling. If I am a little darling, then why don't they run with me? Dear children, the poet is prescribing the another picture in the second stanza. While he was enjoying the beauty, the nature, he was looking each one of them. Then how could he enjoy the nature? At that time, many are shouting. Then he could be noticed. He could be hear the sound of the people. And what was the sound? That sound was run along, run along. So what was the matter? He could not find out, because he was inside the farm and he was just look after the nature. he was looking at the nature, and at that time people are asking or people are shouting, run along my dear, or my little darling. Then one thing it is kept in his mind, if I am the little darling, if I am the little darling, that means the precious one, then why don't they run with me? Why they are shouting? Why they didn't, or why they didn't come to me? So this is the things about we learn in first stanza. We learn about the nature, how the poet understand, express his thought throughout his letter or throughout his words. In second stanza we could learn the situation of the poet. Students, I think this much is enough for you. The next time we will learn more. Okay, for your information, I like to read the difficult words. The difficult words. Two are here. One is dead and another one is water wheel. Dead, it is the meaning is given here, not in use anymore. And second one, it is water wheel, a large wheel used in the past to turn mills. Students, I think this is enough for you. Next time we will learn, or next time we will continue this poem. Okay, thank you. God bless you.